Hello guys, I'm Soumya and I'm back again with an unboxing video of a Skill in a Box fashion designing kit. And let me just start right now and you can see for yourself what all things it includes. I'm super excited because as a kid I always wanted to learn fashion designing, but uh, I happened to take science and obviously I enjoyed it and whatnot, but still I thought why not, you can always learn a new skill and you can make your own dresses, right? And yeah, that's why I am here and I'm starting the process to learn something new, something exciting, and I hope this video will help you to join a course and take this up just as I did. In case you have more questions about the course, you can simply ask me in the comment below and I may make another video that will include all the details of the course and how it is going to help each of the candidates to do what we do. So the very first thing is this, just and let me just open it and see what it is. I think this is a paper which is given to cut the patterns. So whatever patterns that I'll be learning, whether it be about designing a kurta or a blouse or anything for that matter, or a dress, so all these different patterns, let it be for the body or the sleeves, I'll have to use this to cut. So this is one of the things that I got. There is this whole fashion designing kit with all the different kinds of scale, and this is by Isomers, which is one of the best company that provides scale for fashion designers, and it's a huge bag with 18 items with all kinds of scale like straight scale, leg curve, arm curve, hip curve, and a lot of scissors which is used for cutting. I'll open it and you can see for yourself what it has. So it's very big and it has a bag inside as well to keep all the scales. So let me show you one by one. Even I don't have the understanding of all the scales at this moment, so there are different scales. Very heavy scissors, I must say. Like, this is crazy heavy, must be more than like a kg or so. This one is also very heavy, probably the best ones to cut the clothes. Too many scales, and I'm glad that they have given a bag, because otherwise I'll miss one thing or the other. There are multiple things and I'm yet to figure out all of this. Some things I understand where I can utilize, but the others I'm yet to figure out, which I'll do once the class starts. So there are multiple scales: arm scale, hip curve scale, this is the leg curve scale, and I think this is a normal scale, a good one. And this small thing, I don't know what it is, but, and this is the L scale, and yeah, this is how it is. And the next thing is that we've gotten like 5 kinds of cloth, and I think this is the base cloth which will be used under, let's say I'm making a dress and I would want something beneath the dress, so this is the cloth which will be beneath the dresses. So I think this is good 5 or 10 meter of cloth that is given, and we have been given different kinds of cloth, and which again will be utilized to make multiple dresses. And in the end of the course, what we'll do is we'll send all these dresses to the organizers and they'll arrange a photo shoot for us, and we can sell these clothes after that. And they'll also help us create a website and social media channels so that we can sell these clothes under our brand name. And yeah, so that's going to be exciting. So this is one of, I can totally imagine what I can make from this and this. A very pretty lehenga in white. So super excited actually. I also got this, so this is a small Usha kit which Usha Threads of Joy kit, which has a lot of threads, different color threads, and yeah, this is really nice. Mostly in pastels and yellow, black, white, blue. Not a red, I don't know why. Maybe because the cloth which is given is mostly white, and hence. Now, next thing is this big, huge bag. I can't even, carry it. It's so huge. And in the front of the bag, what's given is 3 things. So we have been given this book, which is for all the kinds of fabric. So here you can actually see that they have clipped fabrics, and we can touch and feel and see what the fabric feels like, looks like, and yeah, this is going to be really useful to understand different kinds of fabrics and how they are made, the texture of it, and where they are used. So I'm kind of glad that they have given activity books as well, and books that can help to understand the basic nuances in detail. And they've also given activity book where they have given what kind of sewing patterns that we have to make. I don't know if it's visible, but yeah, what kind of sewing patterns can we make, and so it would be nice. Then there's this Kruti book of fashion design where, okay, there are multiple things. So I think this butter paper probably is for sketching. Sketching in the sense that they have given, so for people who don't know how to make these, right, you can simply use a butter paper to trace these things, and you can then design on it simply. And this is so good. And these are like, even there are faces. Interesting. Now let me open the kit and see what's inside the bag. And this is crazy. So they have also given something to protect the whole sewing machine. And yes, this is the, oh my god, this is the sewing machine, and wow, heavy and nice. This is Usha Genome, which is quite popular, and it has 14 stitch functions and much more. Probably I'll explore it slowly and gradually. And on the front I also have these small things, this ring. They'll also teach us this something to make out of this ring in the middle of it. Some pattern, it could be a doll or anything. And these are the pencils which can be used to draw. So they are giving like complete kit. There are also small things like these diamonds. This is the chalk that we may use, and there are buttons, there are pearls, small pearls. There is this, mostly used while if you want to make a pattern, drape something. Then there are needles, pens, a lot of buttons again, and tape. What else? So they have also given a list of things that should be there, and I'll just check. There should be like 5 kinds of fabric: organza, brocade, satin, self cotton, canvas. So this is one. Yeah, so there are multiple fabrics, 1, 2. So all in all, I feel that this is a complete kit, and it has almost everything that I would need to learn fashion designing. And in case I would require anything else, especially in terms of clothing, then I'll go outside and buy it. But I'm super excited to learn it, and it's just 60,000, where what is included is the course, what they are going to teach, and the kit, whole kit. And then once this is done, we have to ship all the things that we have made in the course, and they'll help us get the photo shoots done, and they'll help us to sell these, and they'll also help us with the website and the social media page. And I think that's a very comprehensive way of going about building anything, probably a boutique, online boutique or a brand. And yeah, I'm super excited. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe. I'll keep coming up with something interesting every single time. Bye.